This time we're going to go ahead and I'm going to address what I've been up to. One thing, let me show you all of the progress that I've made. Alright guys, this is kind of where I'm at on things. I found the gasket that I was looking for that kind of had me stopped, and so got that in there. Things are looking sweet, it's nice and clean inside there. I'm very, very grateful to have that together, and it looks nice and sanitary. Okay, what else have I done? I've added the actual mounts for the engine. Got the mustache bar on there, oil filler on it, and got some tins on top, and got the bottom on this side with one exhaust manifold on it. You can see that. Let me see if I pull it around here. You can see, but it's up there. So basically, at this point, I've got to get the other heater box buttoned up. It's got some holes in it. It's really dirty. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This box has got some problems. They're just little ones. There's like a pinhole right there that needs a little spot of weld. But the big one is going to be this area right here. I need to put a patch across there to keep that hot air in there. Probably need to check the other side too. That way I've got a very efficient heater going on it. Then also when I took the thing apart, there's an actual bolt, and I don't know if it's factory supposed to be welded on there, but I had to cut the bolt off to actually get it out of there. So now I need to clean that up, and I don't know if I need to put a new bolt on the back of it and tack it back in. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that out of there. I don't know, I'm going to put some penetrating oil and see. But as of right now, it's just a matter of cleaning this stuff up. I went ahead and took all the bolts that would come off the motor, organized them. It's probably a little overkill, but it helps me be able to kind of make a roadmap of what I need to do. Because my parts table is slowly turning into the miscellaneous bolts on versus the all green. Hopefully I'll get that all buttoned up here soon, and we'll get this thing together. Alright guys, alright, at this point I've wire brushed it all. I had to sweep up in here. The stuff got everywhere. And now I can see a little bit better what I've got going on here as far as the damage and stuff. Let me grab you real quick and I'll show you. It actually cleaned up pretty good. That's not too bad there. I think the most difficult thing is going to be, I need to touch up the welding right in here. I think the hardest part is probably going to be trying to fabricate something in there. Not really exactly sure what it's supposed to look like, but I'm going to kind of go off my gut, and then trying to figure out what to do about this broken bolt down in here. Alright guys, I hate this, but yeah. It looks like that I'm going to be going to the store because I need a battery for my welding helmet. So I'll probably just, nah, I don't think I'll cut it right here. There'll be more. I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. That took a minute, but it wasn't too bad. They had the batteries, so let's get on this. What I've got here is this section is burnt away, so I'm going to have to form a piece of metal in there, and I think I'm going to lap it over the top, kind of push the heat off of the piece of metal that I'm using. Basically what I've got is a piece of metal. Just going to kind of shape it in to try to drop it in there, see the best I can, see how that goes.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive. Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be
guys, that's what I ended up with. I didn't want to feather it in too much, so primarily just welded the top of it, but that's enough to help direct that air through that heater box and try to keep a little of that exhaust out. So that's good enough for me. I guess, really, to tell you the truth, I think that's probably going to be it for the night. I probably shoot some high temperature paint on these and get them ready. Oh, you know what? I can't do nothing. I've got to still figure out what to do about this bolt that's broken off in. So that'll be next time. So y'all take care, and thanks for watching. And I appreciate you guys. Go work on your old Volkswagen. And take it easy, and peace out.